Hello, have you waited so long? No?
No,
No,
sir. It's
sir.
okay.
All right. Wait, let me prepare the things.
Okay.
Please, order the class.
All right. Attention, please. Greetings.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, everybody. How are you today?
I'm
fine,
fine.
sir.
And you?
All right, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. All right. Before we start, let me check the attendance list first.
Okay.
It seems like many of you didn't come. So let me check it first. All right. Ahmad Al-Farisi. Any news?
No, sir.
Absent. Okay. Idris?
No news, sir.
Absent.
Sir, itu Aris.
Oh, why are you so late?
Oh my
Come. Quick. Sit in front of her. All right. So Ahmad Al-Farisi?
Sir.
Present. Idris absent. Zarif?
Idris here, sir.
Idris. Okay. Obed?
Present, sir.
Okay, good. Sandrin?
Present, sir.
All right. Risa?
Anu.
No news?
News.
No free?
I'm sick, sir.
Sick. Okay. All right. All right. That's good. All right. There is no problem. We just continue the class because knowledge comes to the ones who's seeking it.
Yes.
All right. So for today, we are going to learn about. You can see it. What?
Simple
Simple
present tense.
present tense. But before that, I'm seeing that your face is kind of lazy. So before we start the lesson, we gonna do small ice breaking. All right. Have you ever heard about Mr. Someone Says?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if I say Mr. Someone Says and something, for example, Mr. Someone Says, touch your nose. So you should touch your nose. If I didn't say anything, Mr. Someone Says, don't. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. We try. Mr. Someone Says, clap your hands. Mr. Someone Says, touch your ears. Touch your nose. All right, Sandrine, getcha.
Oh.
You are not focused. All right, no problem. Okay, once again, Mr. Someone Says, raise your right hand. Your left hand. Orbit, gotcha. Okay. All right, you should drink more water. Yes? Okay. All right, thank you. That's good. Yeah. It's about simple present tense. When you are looking at this picture, what comes to your mind? What is it about? The first person, Obed.
Oh, yeah.
What is he doing?
I think it's daily activities, sir.
Daily activities. That's good. Okay. So there are some activities in daily life. For example, the first one. What do you think? What is it? Yes.
Exercise.
Exercising. That's good. And then
Eating.
eating,
Sleeping.
sleeping. After that,
Learning.
studying. Do you study
Yes.
often?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. I believe that. And then
Playing football.
playing football or sports. All right. So these are daily activities. What is the meaning of daily? How do we do it? Repetition. All right. Repetitive. All right. And what is simple present tense? Here is the definition and the functions. Simple present tense describes habitual actions. Habitual. So it is repetitive. General truths. Okay? Fakta umum atau kebenaran yang umum. And then states that are permanent or not changing. Sesuatu yang permanen dan tidak berubah. Nah, di situ ada fungsinya. used to talk about
Habit.
read. Help me to read.
Habits.
Zarif. The function used to talk about
Baca.
Used to talk about habits
habits. All right. Let me habits
or routine,
or routines, and then
general truths or facts,
all right, facts, and then
and hobbies or interests.
once again
Hobbies or interests.
hobbies
Hobbies. Hobbies.
or interests. All right. Nah, tidak hanya 3 itu, tapi kita juga bisa giving opinion di situ ya. Dan bagaimana cara menggunakannya? Nah, kita masuk ke rumus. Ariel, why are you late? You are making business. Come in, quick.
Lazy Harus.
Ini gitu.
Baik, fokus kembali. Jadi simple present tense itu kita gunakan. Oke, sebelum kita masuk ke simple present tense itu jenis waktu. Jadi kalau bahasa Inggris kita itu selalu ngomong dengan waktu, selalu berkerubung dengan waktu. Jadi waktunya itu maksudnya menceritakan hal-hal yang kebiasaan, berulang-ulang, fakta dan semacamnya. Jadi waktunya itu dia tidak exact, tidak persis di waktu yang kita maksud, tetapi dia waktunya sangat luas. Itu simple present tense. Digunakan untuk menceritakan habits atau routines, tadi seperti daily life, kemudian general truths, hobbies or interest. Nah, di sini ada 2 contoh. Coba Sandrine bantu baca contoh yang pertama.
I go to school every day.
Alright, thank you. Ahmad, the second one.
The sun rises in the east.
Okay, what is the meaning of that? The sun?
Yeah.
What's the meaning?
Matahari terbit dari timur.
Dari timur ya, jangan dari barat ya. Dari barat itu mau kiamat ya, hati-hati. Nah, kira-kira dari I go to school every day itu dari mana kita taunya dia daily activities?
Dari kata everyday, sir.
Thank you, Obed. Good. Dari kata every day. Jadi kalau kita menggunakan simple present tense, itu bisa kita tambahkan kalimat-kalimat keterangan yang menambahkan keterangan waktu kepada kegiatan tersebut. Nah, kalau yang satu lagi, the sun rises in the east, itu maksudnya kemana? Di antara 3 fungsi tadi. General truths, that's good. The sun rises in the east. Apalagi kira-kira general truths?
The sun go down in the west.
Okay, the sun goes down or the sun sets in the west.
Sunset in the west.
And then, apalagi? Air laut rasanya? Asin, oke. Okay.
Seawater is
Apalagi? Yang fakta-fakta kira-kira? Ser ganteng nggak? Fakta?
no.
Oke.
I mean yes, sir. Sorry.
Zarif. Nanti saya kurangi poinnya ya.
No.
Oke. Nah, coba Sandrine tanya Obed. Obed biasa pagi ngapain?
What do you do in every morning?
I take a shower every morning.
Oke, Obed ngapain?
I take a shower.
Oke, mandi ya?
Mandi.
Oke, kita pakai air dulu. Alright, after knowing what is simple present tense and how do we construct it, bagaimana kita menyusunnya jadi kalimat. Nah, coba kita latihan sedikit atau game sedikit ya. Di sini serada 4 pertanyaan. Oke? Question number 1. They playing football every Sunday. Nah, coba kita lihat sekali lagi ya. Subjeknya siapa kira-kira? Okay, no problem. We are studying. No problem. There is no problem.
It's okay, Zarif.
It's okay. We are studying. Kalau belajar itu kita cari salahnya dulu. Gak apa-apa. Wajar. Nah, kita balik lagi ke sini. Subjek. Are you with Obed? Coba Obed bedah sesuai rumus yang kita sudah pelajari.
Oke, baik. Jadi Mary ini adalah subjek, bisa kita bilang juga ya. She ya.
She ya, umumnya Mary itu perempuannya.
Perempuan. Nah, karena ini otomatis verb setelahnya harus mengikuti aturan penambahan s, is atau is. Nah, untuk go sendiri karena dia akhirannya huruf hidup vowel, jadi sepemahaman saya dia is ditambah di akhir sama s.
Okay, thank you, Obed. That's good. That's right. Okay, give applause to Obed. Thank you, Obed. Okay, jadi tadi kata
Karena i, jadi hanya perlu ditambah s.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's right. Thank you, Aris. Give applause to Aris. Okay, all right. Thank you. Z, karena ini berakhiran SH, maka kita tambahkan IS. Oke, bacanya
Washes.
washes. Okay, washes. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. It seems like you guys already know and understand well about simple present tense. And let's review first. So, firstly, we learn the functions or the definition about simple present tense. How do we use it? Okay, for routines and facts generally. Oke, secara umum kita gunakan untuk menceritakan hal-hal rutin dan fakta umum. Oke. Kemudian use verb 1 for I, you, we, they and verb 1 plus es. IES itu untuk he, she, it. Oke, that's good. Alright. No problem. Jangan dianggap beban. PR itu untuk kita terus menggunakannya supaya kita berlatih, supaya kita semakin matang, supaya kita semakin paham cara menggunakannya dan semakin dekat untuk menuju keberhasilan. Alright. Jadi di sini PR-nya write 3 sentences about your daily routine. Jadi buat 3 kalimat yang berhubungan dengan daily routine atau kehidupan sehari-hari yang teman-teman punya. Oke, menggunakan tentunya simple present tense. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, so I think that's all. Tadi semua sudah menjawab dengan baik, sudah paham cara menggunakan rumus. Walau salah pun itu tidak masalah ya. Itu biasa. Kita belajar, kita cari salahnya untuk jadi yang lebih baik. Alright, save your stuff, simpan barang-barangnya. Itu sudah jam untuk istirahat ini. Alright, so all, thank you for today. And don't forget your homework. And don't forget to study at home every day.
Of course, sir.
Okay, so see you in the next meeting and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.